Unfreeze Revolut Junior card. In this video, we are going to learn how to unfreeze Revolut Junior card. So let's get started. It's pretty simple process. You just have to follow these instructions. First, open the Revolut app and log into your parent account. Then navigate to the Junior tab. This typically features your child name and avatar. Select your child's Revolut Junior account and tap on the card option. This will display your child's credentials. Now, locate the card status section and find the frozen label next to the card status. Tap on the frozen label or the freeze card button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Verify that you want to unfreeze the card, then tap on Unfreeze to confirm. Your child's Revolut Junior card will now be unfrozen and ready for use. You will receive a notification in your Revolut app confirming the unfreeze. That's how you can easily unfreeze Revolut Junior card.